Hey everyone, the primary concept of the HOTWAV TAB R9 Ultra is that it is not a tablet that aims to satisfy everyone. It is clear from the outset that this gadget was designed for harsh environments rather than a comfortable couch or light social media use. It is a completely durable tablet designed to endure in situations when standard consumer electronics just break down. HOTWAV's emphasis on endurance, practicality, and durability is evident in the gadget, which feels more like professional gear than a standard Android tablet. The tablet's purpose is perfectly reflected in its appearance. The TAB R9 Ultra has crisp curves, tight lines, and a mix of metal, rubber, and plastic components, exactly how a robust gadget should appear in 2025. The body is protected against dust, grime, high-pressure water, and complete submersion thanks to its IP68 and IP69K certifications. The tablet is noticeably hefty and large, weighing over 1 kilogram. The TAB R9 Ultra is not designed for extended portable gaming sessions or casual reading because holding it for extended periods of time is exhausting. With microphones positioned on various sides for improved audio capture, power and volume controls on top, and thick rubber covers covering all ports and slots, the physical design is sensible. The screen is an 11-inch panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and Full HD resolution. It has a brightness of up to 400 nits and is shielded by Gorilla Glass. If necessary, the options allow you to change the refresh rate. The front camera is perfectly incorporated into the upper frame, and the bezels are rather small for this category. The Unisoc S713 processor, an octa-core CPU, and support for 5G networks handles performance. Although this processor is not well known, the tablet's AnTuTu score of about 589,000 points positions it solidly in the mid-range bracket. For daily tasks, navigation, video playback, and professional applications, this performance level is sufficient. While gaming is feasible, it is obviously not the primary goal. The tablet has 512 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM, which is more than plenty for work files, movies, TV shows, and offline maps. Up to 16 gigs of virtual RAM expansion is possible. When you examine the battery, the tablet's thickness and weight become clear. There is a massive 8,000 mAh battery inside that provides exceptional endurance. The charging capacity is only 20 watt, which feels sluggish and a little surprising given the enormous battery and premium placement. The tablet uses HOTWAV's OSU interface and Android 15. This is a somewhat altered shell that matches systems found on other rugged devices, including those made by Blackview, rather than a clean stock Android experience. It's okay that cameras aren't the major draw here. The front camera has 16 megapixels, while the main camera has 64 megapixels and a 20 megapixel night vision camera. Both Full HD and 4K video at 30 frames per second can be captured by the back camera. The HOTWAV TAB R9 Ultra is ultimately an extremely specialized gadget. It is not intended for casual gamers, entertainment-oriented consumers, or those seeking a portable tablet. Rather, it caters to professionals, outdoor laborers, tourists, and anybody else in need of a gadget that can endure challenging conditions without sacrificing functionality. It distinguishes itself as a truly rugged tool rather than a lifestyle device with its exceptional protection, long battery life, enormous storage, and special accessories like a strong spotlight, night vision camera, and numerous mounting choices. Your demands will determine whether or not it is worthwhile to purchase, but for its target market, the TAB R9 Ultra lives up to expectations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.